Whoa, what's up, my dudes? It's Freddie Freed with Freedom National. Everyone wants the freedom to pop a wheelie while driving down the fast lane, but that's only gonna jack up your car insurance rate and get you a nasty driving record. Bummer, right? Well, fear not, cause old Freddie here has the lowdown and no down on clean, calm, and cool driving. Firstly, know how bad your violations are. There's a huge difference between running a red light and crashing into a major national landmark. You know what I mean? Don't ask, the night's a total blur. A DUI will rack up enough points that your license can get suspended. This means it'll take a little longer journey to get a fresh and so clean record. So start out with SR22 insurance. No shame, my dudes, we've all been there. Well, at least I have. And SR22 isn't as bad as it sounds, even though it sounds like a military secret weapon. An SR22 is basically a document that's required by the DMV to prove you have insurance. It's issued by your insurance company. And if SR22 sounds like algebra to you, don't worry, because the court will tell you. And if you're summoned, never skip the court visit. Be punctual, too. Remember, if you're early, you're on time. If you're on time, you're late. And if you're late, you're screwed. Getting the right insurance is your ticket to freedom. Get it? It's true, though. Getting insurance can get points removed from your license and polish your driving record for dear Uncle Sam. Now, keep in mind, this is going to vary state by state. Also, you may want to fight your tickets in court, but pick your battles, man. Only some tickets can be dismissed, like in situations that don't involve serious damage. Again, crashes after a night out at your favorite joint probably won't be overturned. Speeding in a school zone might, you know what I mean? Now, don't beat me up for saying this, but try to take safe driving courses after a ticket or other infraction. I'm telling you, man, it works. Some states offer this option to get points off your driver's license. And if you're worried about being bored, just bring a pillow to make time pass quicker. And a flask. Just kidding. You don't need a pillow. But seriously, we're all just riding the wave of time here. So keep in mind that cleaning up your driving record won't happen overnight. It can take up to 3 years sometimes. In the meantime, find your place in the universe and just chill, my friend. If you're looking for lower car insurance sooner rather than later, get Get a low price quote at freedomnational.com. It's your fast pass to cheap auto insurance no matter how awesome or sketchy your record looks. Good luck on turning over the page. Finding cheaper auto insurance is possible. If your man Freddie here can do it, so can you. Until next time, be free, my dudes.